There is a lot of easy words in this one.
I agree.
You know what I'm
That's
saying?
why I chose it.
Yeah, this always happened to me. Even when I was in school, when the teacher asked me to read something, I've always get dizzy because my eyes are kind of weak, and I get really nervous. So this is why I'm like reading really fast, and I miss a lot of words.
Gotcha, gotcha. I guess that's something that you're reminding yourself each and every time you start, right?
Yeah,
Which is a good sign. You're telling yourself that I should slow down first and take a
yeah,
breath and focus and look at where the commas are. I know it's exciting to get caught in the moment and to read really fast and you read it with so much emotion, but it's really learning on how to control your voice is probably something that's overlooked. So being able to
yeah.
control your breaths and being able to control how you speak and having self-control really helps you with your English speaking. Let me give you an extra layer to think about. When you are
Okay.
reading something like this, and this is a monologue, so it's a little bit different, but generally speaking, let's say you're reading a novel. Read it in such a way that the audience doesn't have the text in front of them. They can only hear your voice. So you can
Oh,
see the words, but imagine the person listening to you can't see the words. And that's how you should speak. So if I were to cover my eyes and not look at this, but listen to you read it, I should still be able to follow you easily.